Hi everybody, just wanting to make this video to say welcome to week 14. I'm very happy we all made it together. So just keep in mind a few housekeeping items. You should be done field this week. This should be your last field week. If it's a work study, then that's a different story. If that's your job and you need to continue to work your job. We will start back up again in 2 weeks in May. Any questions about that, please refer to your calendars for field. But my understanding is we have 2 weeks off from field and then we start back up. Make sure that all of your assignments are turned in by this Sunday. Grades are due the following week, and if assignments are not in, I will unfortunately have to give zeros. Grades are not flexible, especially final grades. Midterms are a little flexible, but these final grades are not. So if you have any questions about grades or assignments or anything like that, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 856-524-6773, or shoot me an email. And it's been great, and I will see you in the summer. Thanks. Bye-bye.